Hello everyone, dear subscribers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can check your Instagram login device. Please subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram on iPhone or Android. Open your profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Open Settings and Privacy. Find Account Center. Then find Password and Security, where you are logged in. Click on your profile. This is where all the devices appear, where we ever logged into this account, or we're currently logged in. And if you see an extra device that you've never logged in from, and you want to delete it, you click on, say, iPhone 7. Select Logout, and log out of that device. If you find another device, also click on Say Here. Click Logout and click Logout. That's the easy way you can check your device to log in to your Instagram profile. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.